switch it out. Oh, my. Guys, he chowed on the whole biscuit.
Tryna catch a wave, man, I've been wavy. She make it pop while I sip daily. Fine wine, but her skin Baileys. I tell her rub up on the ting, baby.
What's up, guys? You know I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
And we got a special guest for you today.
What's your name? Guess.
Your favorite Bradley. He's very shy.
Bradley is very shy.
Look at him acting red.
His cheeks are like red right now.
Why are you so shy, boy?
No.
We don't have no shame tree in Jamaica.
Okay, guys, so before we get into the video, you know what you have to do?
Hit the like button.
The subscribe button. And comment.
Comment down below if you love Bradley right now. Comment down below. Love Brad.
And remember, notification squad. You know what you have to do.
Yo, make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Subscribe button.
You know,
Hashtag notification gang squad. Anything you want to put, notification something.
You know, hit the subscribe button yet. Today's video we got for you specially, we are going to try Jamaican snacks.
Well,
not us. Not us.
He's gonna try
He's
them.
gonna try it.
He's gonna try them. So Bradley, what Jamaican snacks have you tried?
Oh, I've had the banana chips, and I also had rice.
So give me, this is not rice. This is, guys, you know what this is. All the real Jamaicans know what this is.
Wait, this is rice?
This is not rice.
It's just a rice.
What does that look like to you?
That is not rice. Alright.
Okay, so since he has tried banana chips, we're gonna start off with banana chips. So this is St. Mary's banana chips.
You tried this before?
Don't taste good.
Oh, please.
Lime, love banana
He
chips.
eats all the time at home. Okay, next on the list, we know that
It's Easter time.
it's Easter time, so we couldn't leave without the bun and cheese.
And the cheese. Don't worry guys, it's not the real cheese like the Jamaican.
Yeah, we didn't have tasty cheese,
But
so
you
we
know how
had
the
to.
bank account set up with that cheese price? It's true though, that cheese price kind of
That cheese
expensive.
is kind of expensive.
Come to foreign and you come to see the price of the
So
cheese.
Bradley's gonna get a nice piece of bun and cheese. Have you ever had bun and cheese?
No, I don't.
Really?
You never had bun and cheese before? Alright, go for it.
Go.
Come on, you gotta bite it.
Take one big bite.
I need a vomit. Go.
No. Come on.
Oh god.
You
You
like
like
it.
it,
You
you like
like
it.
sweet.
Don't taste good.
He's gonna be eating this later.
You don't like bun
I
one?
don't like the bread.
The bread is called bun bread.
Bun.
Next we have
Shirley's biscuits.
Oh,
Shirley's.
that's my mommy.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, you know, I'm not gonna say all
Don't.
Yeah.
PG.
What?
So this is Shirley biscuit.
I mean like biscuits. It's so.
That's why you ate 2 bites.
Yeah, like that. You like
Yeah,
it,
he likes those.
he likes it.
Just like crackers, just like regular crackers.
Yeah,
It's like sweet.
yeah,
Chad loves these.
yeah. Shirley, if you're watching this,
That's
love you,
mommy.
mommy.
Okay.
Yo, what guy is eating it right now?
I'm not eating it.
Yes, you are. You're eating it.
Alright,
Okay.
switch it out. Alright, mommy. Guys, he chowed on the whole biscuit. It fell out of his evidence. Evidence fell out of his mouth. You like that one? Alright, so you know you need to wash down your system now.
Yeah, we have to wash down the system with some
Suppogen. Guys, I love Suppogen. Like,
This packaging for Suppogen is,
yeah.
I can't drink
I would
Suppogen.
save all my money just to buy Suppogen after school.
Why is it yellow?
Yo, your
It's
bottom
like milk.
about to
It's
run.
like milky.
Yo, he's eating like every.
It's vanilla.
Help me.
It's not bad. Come
It's
on.
not bad, it's good.
Don't spill it now.
It's good, right?
Hey, gluey, jeez.
Gluey?
Chaddy can taste the rest.
Yeah, man. So guys, I'll just hold on to this real quick. Look at it. You like it?
We gotta save Bradley's
Bradley
favorites for the end. So this now is
Gizzada, guys.
Gizzada.
Oh man, this is so lovely,
This
guys.
is so good.
I know.
I'm gonna eat the rest of this when you
Yo,
finish.
they used to have this like when it come fresh off of the press, you know.
No, you have to bite. Take a
Yeah,
bite.
just take a bite.
Okay, let me break it.
No, but no, you should bite into it.
Yeah, you have to, but you have to taste both pieces
Yeah, so you have to bite
and reach that
yeah,
part.
the brown
So you
part.
can get a little of each.
Why?
No, you
more.
gotta, yeah, you gotta go more.
Go this side. Go.
Yeah, come on, come
Why
on.
does it taste like that?
Come on,
you
you
take
bite
the
it. Yeah, there you go. In mommy terms, it would have eat nice.
I'm gonna save this for her.
No?
Alright, so
Yeah, I love gizzada. You like
me
it?
too. I'm gonna eat this when we're done. Since we're on a sweet face, the next thing we're gonna have is
Look at his face.
I don't want to eat this.
this one is peanut cake. I love this.
I don't like, honestly, I don't like peanut cake.
I love peanut
Yeah.
cake.
Either. I don't even like peanuts. Why would you like a peanut cake?
You don't like peanuts?
No, I
You're
hate
not gonna
that.
like this then.
Yeah.
You can
It's
do it.
basically just peanuts glued together.
Technically.
Yeah, but with brown sugar.
Okay, one bite.
Oh God.
Take a bite.
Just take a bite.
Take a bite.
You don't have to take a big since you don't like peanuts.
It's just like taking a peanut.
Yeah, it's just peanuts.
Yeah.
It's like a peanut cake
With sugar.
with sugar.
Out of 10.
Not bad.
Out of 10.
Not bad.
Not bad? Like 5, 6, 6.
Time to wash it down again.
No.
With some Lasco chocolate milk.
Chocolate. Well, Brady loves chocolate, so we got chocolate flavored Lasco.
Comment down below your favorite Lasco.
Mixing it. I'm gonna test it to see if it's okay.
Why you test the boy so?
Please do drink all of it.
It's like chocolate milk.
You lie.
This boy drinks
Tastes
chocolate
like
milk every day.
It's not chocolate milk, it's caffeine. Jeez.
Caffeine.
It tastes like caffeine.
Cheers.
Yo guys, I'll be drinking this right now.
I can't.
Drinking everything, don't you? Oh God. Don't make that. Don't make that sound, please.
My favorite,
Bulla.
Bula.
We don't have no cheese, so Bradley just gonna have to eat bulla.
Yeah.
Why do you need cheese?
Guys,
Hey, comment
that's
below.
how you eat it, bulla and cheese.
Comment below what's your favorite thing with Bula. Pear. I love
Can I have
pear.
pear?
Yeah, put with butter too.
Yeah.
I love butter.
No, too big, too big, too
No,
big.
that's fine. You have to eat the whole of that.
No, he might
No,
choke.
no, bro.
Get yourself a gin because he might choke.
Oh God.
Hey, Bula dry, you know?
It's very dry. It's like,
It doesn't have a taste.
that's why you need the cheese.
Cheese, yeah, you really need cheese.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a piece of cheese.
No, no, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. No, please.
Eat it with the cheese.
No.
Alright, now we're putting with cheese with no. Let's see.
Bulla and cheese now.
Bula
Oh
and
God,
cheese.
the bullet does have a taste now.
Come,
Yeah,
eat it with the cheese now.
Yeah. No, me think boy. Eat nice.
You know what it tastes like?
Oh.
Bull.
So what's your favorite thing so far?
Shirley.
Sure.
You mommy.
You love your mommy?
I like
That is
rice.
so-called rice, but we know it's not rice.
What's
This is called grater cake.
Yeah. Grater cake, guys. I love it. I love it. I love it. But I can't eat too much of it because I go to the bathroom.
No,
Yeah.
it's sweet.
It's too sweet.
It just has a little bit red in it. That's it. It's just
That's
rice.
just coloring.
Yeah.
Okay, so here you go.
Oh shoot. This don't taste like rice.
Because it's not.
No God.
It's actually coconut.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate coconut. It tastes like mint.
Yeah, it does not taste bad.
It don't taste bad.
Why are you eating it, Annie?
Huh? That's disrespectful.
She embarrassing, you see? Very embarrassing.
I'm gonna have that later. And last but not least, this is
Biscuits.
Chad.
Jackass!
What is that?
Jackass corn biscuits.
What?
For real, Jackass! It is!
What?
Just let me tell you something before you eat it. Be very careful when you're biting it, okay?
Yeah, you return it?
No, you don't. Because it's very...
Whoever came up with that name is very smart.
Bradley, alright, let me tell you. If you're in a heated battle with fighting somebody, and you see some jackass on the shelf, take the jackass and fling it off in it. For real!
Shut up.
For real!
It's not hard.
You gonna feel it?
Don't give me an entire one.
Well, I don't think I can break it. I did.
That's too big. I can break it easily.
It's not bad.
I can't even chew it.
You damn jackass! Not bad. You can live with that one, right?
Probably break my teeth, but yeah.
Mine too.
Hey, I don't know how people love jackass, you know?
I love this.
I love it, but it's just too tough.
I like the toughness.
Me too.
Name your top 3, Brad.
Number 3, the rice. Number 2,
The great.
Great cake.
Number 2, the banana chips. And number 1, the Shirley. I like Shirley.
Shirley, what was the worst one?
Definitely the buffalo.
What?
Oh no, and a bull. That's
The
what-
bullock.
The buffalo.
I'd say the bull. That's my bad.
He doesn't the buffalo.
Okay guys, comment down below what is your favorite snack from the ones we had a while ago.
Yes, comment down below.
My favorite is
Dog.
definitely
Yeah, you
The
already
rice.
know. Bun and cheese
I
is my
can't choose
favorite.
between
Rice is my
peanut
favorite.
cake, grater cake,
And rice.
and bun and cheese.
Bun and cheese. Bun and
That's my
cheese.
top 3.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Subscribe to be a part of the family, guys.
And notification squad, get ready.
Get ready.
First notification shout out goes to Marlene Duenas.
Marlene doing us big up your damn self. Your notification going right here, or probably over here, or over here. Me don't know. Me don't know. It can go here.
Somewhere up here.
Yeah, it can go up here so. Second notification shout out goes to
Alexis Martinez.
big up your damn self, Alexis. Big up your damn self. It goes right here. Big up your damn self.
And last but not least is Chanel Lisa.
Chanel Lisa, big up your damn self. Your notifications shout out goes right here.
Probably right here.
I said almost said squad, but yeah, it goes
Shout
right
out
here.
goes right here.
If you guys want to be a part of notification squad, what do you have to do?
Gotta like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Hit the bell, guys. Hit the bell.
Comment, notification squad, gang, anything.
Everything down below. You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
And we are
Ow. Ow.
Tryna catch a wave, man, I been wavy. She make it pop while I sip jelly. Fine wine, but her skin Baileys. I tell her rub up on the ting, babe.